Hello guys, my name is Karina and today I'm going to talk about grammar cycle, how to elaborate a disease cycle and some recommendations. So first in the cycle, I have some words in gray that are very important to try to get the information from this picture and put the information in these boxes. So these words are survival, primary inoculant, dispersal, infected cord, infection and colonization, and finally secondary inoculum. So this fungus colonize and overwinter in organic debris. The primary inoculant is the conidia that is dispersed by the wind, and this conidia land in the senescent blossom part, calyx, green fruit, and mature fruit. Then about infection and colonization, we will find conidiophorus with conidia. These conidiophorus with conidia that can be in this mature fruit, like Fusi masses, are gonna be our secondary inoculum. And this conidia also is gonna be dispersed by the wind, and the cycle is gonna continue again. So, how I made this disease cycle. First, I had to look for more information, even if this picture works good to do this disease cycle. I decided to read more, and because I had to make my decision about if this disease is polycycle or monocycle. After I read, I was sure that this disease is polycycle. Then I put the keywords in each box, and I started getting the information from the picture. For example, the first word is survival, so I had to look for the information related with survival, and then I saw this. Fungus colonizes and overwinters in organic debris. So overwinter makes me the idea that is gonna survive the winter. So that's why I put that information here. Then about the primary inoculum, I was looking for the information and it says that I have conidiophorus with conidia and are disseminated. So I realized that primary inoculum is the conidia, and if I go up to dispersal, it mentions are disseminated by the wind. So the wind is one way how the conidia is disseminated. So if you continue doing that, you can get your disease cycle. Then some recommendations. The first recommendation is to try to look for more information because when you have more information, your disease cycle could be more rich with more information and maybe more clear. But try also to not to put so much information that can make you feel confused. The second recommendation is to not to be scared to start because even if you make mistakes, then you can continue reading and correct. So don't worry, don't feel scary to start the disease cycle.